welcome to another review on my channel. I'm Katie and today I'm going to review the Hair Glam Palm Australia hair straightener. I've got the original here in this case and this is a beautiful straightener. I fell in love with it as soon as I heard that it's got healing properties within the plates. So let's have a look in the box and let's see what we get. So in the Glam Palm box, we do have a beautiful case that it comes in. And I was gobsmacked when I saw this. I just thought it was absolutely divine. Now, if we just take that out, we do have some goodies in there as well. They've given us a nice comb. It's beautiful silk bottom. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the packaging. I don't even want to throw it out. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now in the bag, this is gorgeous to have it in your kit. I think it's really presentable, it's very professional, and inside it's like a nice like soft suede inside, and you have your beautiful hair straightener and 2 free clips as well. Now this straightener is amazing. So it actually has healing properties inside the plate. So you also get a free plastic cap. This also helps with the straighteners if they're really hot, and you can put them back in your case without burning your hands, without burning anything in your case. So this is really, really cool. You've also got a 3-meter cord, and it also is a 360 swivel cord, so it goes all the way around. Really, really nice on the wrist. The outside of the straighteners is really nice. It's nice and smooth on the outside. It doesn't get too hot. I find that some hair straighteners can heat up on the handle. That is so bad if it does. These ones don't. It's actually got a really nice on button, so you can, instead of pressing a button, it's manual, which I really like because it does give it an organic feeling. So I've just plugged it in, and so what we're going to do is just press the on button. So it's just a button that goes up. You'll hear it goes a little delete as it turns on, and you can see that it comes with different flashing lights, and that will tell you what the temperature that you can go up to. So it's 100 as the lowest and 200 as the highest. So you can go up to 200 degrees. It then lights up and it flashes on the height on the one that you've chosen. You've got these 2 buttons here that can go down, and you can see it moving, and high. So that was really cool. So we'll leave it at 200 degrees and let that heat up. Now these are quick heating, so this won't take very long to heat up at all. So I've got a mannequin here for you today so you can see how well these hair straighteners work. I've done braids in this hair so you can see the natural wave and how straight this straightener works. So I've just heated up the straighteners, and I'm just going to start from the roots, and I'm just going to slowly just go straight down the hair, just as you would with any other straightener, and you can see how straight this has already become. Now this is set on 200 degrees. The straightener is actually quite nice in the grip. It actually doesn't squeeze the hair too much, just leaving the hair to glide nicely through the hair straightener, which is really what you want as a hairdresser doing someone's hair. And it just doesn't snag the hair, it doesn't pull the hair. I just find that it's really, really helping the hair glide through. So you can actually see how beautiful and straight that hair straightener has made the hair. You can see how it will just glide through the hair just really nicely. I've got the comb in front of the hair straightener. It's always nice to do that, otherwise you're going to be, you know, straightening over knotted hair, and that doesn't give a nice effect at all. You'll keep going over and over the same spot, and if anything, that's when you'll break your hair. So it's not the straightener, it will be the way you're applying the straightener. So comb in first, and then just follow right behind the comb with the hair straightener, and that will just give you a beautiful straight look. Now Glam Palm is the exclusive owner of the healing stone from the mines of South Korea, and these are amazing against the hair. It makes the hair nice and shiny, and it really, really does give that nice infused look within that straight hair. So you can see the shines back in the hair. It's nice and straight, and there is no snagging, there's no breakage. I absolutely love these straighteners. Now if you're looking for a hair straightener that can do curls as well, this one can. They've actually put floating plates in the hair straightener, so then that way when you do twist the straightener around, it does actually glide nicely, it doesn't snag the hair, and they've really thought about how far the plate wants to tilt. And so I'm just going to do a nice ribbon effect all the way around. Now you can see how good that swivel of the the cord really helps me do these beautiful ribbon curls. If that wasn't swiveling, I would be in trouble because my arm would get all twisted. But you'll just see that just by gliding that down the hair, giving me a nice ribbon curl, it does do a beautiful job. So if you want to do a nice beach wave, you can just by gliding the plaits in opposite directions down the hair, and this will give you a beautiful effect of a beach wave. But it's very subtle, it's nothing like the mermaid tongs, but it does give you a really, really nice edgy kind of wave that looks natural in your hair. So you can do different styles with these straighteners as well. The cool down time can be quite a while, like maybe give it about 10 or 15 minutes until it's cool. I'm not sure if it would be completely cold by then, but just be careful. But what is really cool is that they do give you that little cap that actually puts the tongs together. So then that way when you're putting it in your kit, it's not going to hit you if you're putting your hands through trying to grab something quickly. So I really, really do love that about it. That is definitely a pro, definitely a pro. So the pros and cons of the Glam Palm hair straightener, there's really not many cons at all, if any. The only thing that I am not used to is the length of the plait. I'm used to a little bit longer of the plait for while I'm doing my curls with the straightener. But in saying that, I can see why they've made them shorter. You've got so much more control over it. You've got a lot more tilting happening, and you know, the pressure of where you're placing the hair under, it's just controlled. So I totally get why they've gone shorter in the plaits than the other straightener. But other than that, there's not really any cons that I can think of with this straightener. I absolutely love it. I love the healing properties. I love the cap that they've given us. I love the tilt of the plaits. I love the fact that it goes so low as only, you know, 100 degrees and only goes up to 200. I don't think it needs to go any higher than 210. These do feel like they get quite hot, so any hotter I think it would just, you know, not do the hair any good when 200's doing what it needs to do. And I think the healing properties in there is actually helping the fact that you don't need much heat, because the healing properties are helping the hair become straighter rather than just, you know, heating it up for no reason. I do like the fact that it's got an hour sleep mode, and it does do a shutdown after 30 minutes. So if you do forget to turn them off, then it remembers. It's got a brain inside there. And I do love the fact that it's got the nice swivel cord, the 3-meter long cord. I also love the fact that this hair straightener heats up fast, and I don't have to worry about how quick it cools down because it's got the little cap. I know I keep going on about the cap, but the cap is really cool. I love the bag that it comes in. The bag is absolutely snazzy, it's profesh, and everyone I've showed it to just goes, oh my God, it's so nice. So if you do have this in your kit, people are going to be like, wow, she's got a really nice straightener and she's using it on my hair. So I feel that if you've got the nice tools and you've got the nice kit, people do really, really love it, and it's definitely a pro for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video, I hope you like my review, and I hope you get yourself a Glam Palm. Thank you so much again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next review. Bye for now. Bye.